Good morning. Okay, today we do full body, legs, arms, everything full body. So, you know the drill. Let's wake everything up. And hands in the air and stretch up. Arms long, fingers long, toes long, lean everything out. Just wiggle it for a bit and slowly down. Remember, as you're coming down, reach up. As you're going down, butt up. Everything in opposition. Slowly roll it up. Enjoy it. Just wake everything up. Arms up. Back on the toes. 4, 3, 2, 1. And take it slowly down. Arms up. Toes down. And pull it forward. Touch those toes. Drop your head weight. Your knees should be slightly bent. You can hold on to your elbows or you can drop the hands. 4, 3, 2, 1. And slowly roll it up. Back up. And skip one more. Arms all the way up. Walk it around. If you can, balance in one space. If not, loosen the hips up. Slowly down. And arms go down and bend it forward. 3, 2, 1. Hips shoulder width apart. Knees slightly bent, and we're going to take it up. Look up. Back straight. Look up. 2, 3. Look up. Back straight. And hands behind the head. We're going to go all the way up to the middle. 3. Butt goes straight back. 2. Keep that back straight. Keep those arms where they are. They're going to add added resistance or weight so you can get a nice bottom stretch, bottom workout. And this is also going to help your hip and gut area. All the way down. Stretch it out. And take the feet a little wider apart. We're going to stretch to the side. Let's go. 1. Just grab the very outside of that foot. Keep your back straight. Legs slightly bent. 2. 2. 3. Added resistance. Take that other arm all the way up and behind you. And 4. Very nice. Stretch it down in the middle. You should feel it all the way up the leg. And just let the head weight drop right there in the middle. Alright, down to the floor. Nice crisscross out soft. And this is called the fire log stretch. You're going to take one leg above the other. And nice hip stretch. Lean directly over. You should feel it all the way in the hip, back, arms. Active arms. You're never just lying there. Always stretch. Middle. Toes active. A little more. You can grab the outside of the foot for an added stretch. Throw a shoulder in there. And up. Put the other fire log on top, and you're going to lean to the other side. I enjoy it too much. No such thing. You can read here in this position. You can watch TV in this position. It's fantastic for back leg. Back to the middle. Get a good stretch. All the way down. And if you're not terribly flexible, this is going to change with more and more practice. Pull one of those feet in. I can't remember which one it is. You're going to go forward and then pull the arm up and over. Remember, you always reach up and over. Take that foot back behind you. Again, up and over. 2, 1. Back to the middle. 4, 3, 2. And then we're going to take that Bring it forward. Get a nice hamstring stretch forward. And arm over. 4, 3, 2. Take that knee back. Arm up and over. Keep it wide open, chest open. That's going to give you an increased upper more breath. And back to the middle. Legs straight, active, toes, and you're going to pull the hands behind you. On your fingertips, pull the shoulders back and open the chest, arms up, and we're going forward. Remember, keep your back straight, tummy in. If you have to slightly bend your knees, bend them. It's all about increasing flexibility, and you're going to walk the legs. So you're almost pulling your hip joints back and forth, adjusting your own spine. This feels real good. Anytime your spine is tight from a run, workout, you can walk it out yourself. Walk it. Walk it. Mm-hmm. Shake it out. Stretch to the side. Other side. And thank you for spending your morning with me. Okay, have a good day. Ciao, ciao.